Hi, my name is Dave and welcome to a project I called the Railsystem. The Railsystem is going to be a video series teaching you to create a procedural VEX-based setup, creating complex geometry and the basis for different future systems. In the end, the Railsystem will consist of an asset that will allow you to take any terrain and draw a rough curve on it. That curve will be processed by an asset to take the two inputs, the terrain and the curve, to create a fully detailed rail system for a hanging sci-fi train. The first chapter of this course is going to cover the technical concept and the foundation of the digital asset that we get as a result of this project. For the overall concept, we have to first solve a couple of problems. We will have a terrain and a rail. On that rail, we want to be able to place the train following it. To hold the rail in place, we need some carrier elements to support it. These carrier elements should have different strength levels that later would result in different kinds of models being used. But no matter how strong this element would be, it has to somehow make contact with the ground to create a realistic look of a stable construction. The next scenario we have to find a solution for are cliffs and sections where the height of the rail in relation to the terrain is too high to use the regular carriers. Then we need to find another way to support the structure. A bridge construct is one possible solution. Also an interesting problem to solve will be mountains in the way of the rail. We somehow need to find to notice the upcoming change in the terrain and then create a tunnel for the rail to go through. These and many other problems will be solved in the first chapter. During the project, I'm creating an asset that will be responsible for the tasks directly bound to the rail system, like creating the needed geometry. During that process, I'm also using and developing another asset called the pulley shifter, an asset that provides frequently used utilities one toggle away. I'm going to develop this first chapter as a Patreon-sponsored project, which means first my auditorium tier Patreons will accompany me creating this course clip by clip and get direct access as soon as one is finished. While the course is taking shape, they can weigh in with their input. Once the chapter is complete, the whole Patreon gang will get access to it and we will see what happens next. So for my auditorium Patreons, I see you in the first clip.